Welcome to DataRails. DataRails is a new way of working with your spreadsheets. What's different about DataRails is that we know that your Excel sheets are not just files. Excel is where you run important processes and store sensitive company information. No matter where you store your spreadsheets, be that in a shared folder, SharePoint, or maybe you just leave them in your inbox, no problem. DataRails connects them all to a centralized cloud repository, without changing the Excel experience you know and love. Let's now have a look at DataRails in action. Look, I finally got the North America budget update from John. Let's see exactly what changes he's made. See, what's great about DataRails is that we've developed the first solution to use logical comparison. This provides total transparency on every action taken on your data. You can distinguish between manual changes and derived changes. You can even catch potentially risky changes. For example, formula changes, wrong data type, or incorrect currency. So regardless of the number of changes made to a spreadsheet, DataRails identifies and compares, like for like. Oops, John made a mistake right here. This mistake could have seriously damaged our company's bottom line. Give me a second and I'll fix this. In the meantime, just think of all those times you've missed major mistakes like this. Okay, we're done. I'm curious about how COGS has changed over the past year. Usually I would need to open all versions of the file and start digging. With DataRails, you can get the trends over time from any cell. Cool, huh? Plus, you can easily comment or approve your team's work, and DataRails will notify all the users collaborating on the file. But DataRails is about more than just Excel. Do you remember that all the data is stored in a central database? Now it's time to get more value from your data. Check out the cool dashboard I've created from the management group, DataRails BI Suite. I can create graphs and charts that pull data from numerous Excel files into one interactive web dashboard. Imagine how many VLOOKUPs this saves me. Furthermore, the dashboard updates in real time and is accessible from anywhere, anytime. Using breakthrough technology, DataRails syncs the data from your spreadsheets into a structured, centralized database, providing you with a high level of data integrity, simple consolidation, data visualization, and regulatory compliance. DataRails, the smart way to Excel.